And you know what? I can wear all these glasses with my lashes. And y'all know I'll be wearing the lashes, the big lashes. So
Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. I got a little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. See my girls, we shine.
what's good, y'all? It's your girl Cherish. Cherish, cherish, cherish. Ayy, cherish, cherish, cherish. Ayy, ain't no stopping when you pop in. And I'm back with another video.
Yeah.
There's a mirror. So today I'm just gonna show y'all that we got a pop-up coming up, and I'm gonna show y'all all the little inventory because we got a lot of inventory. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. He wants to say something.
So, really, we can also show you something else that we have. So it's curly like shapes.
Miami.
Shapes like
The earrings and stuff? Okay, let's get started. Pass me the stuff. Amir's gonna pass me the stuff, y'all. Okay. So here's novelty earrings, y'all. Rich. Okay, these is cute. Do y'all see that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Imagine that on your ear. Pop in. All right. More novelty. Oh my gosh. And the look at that. The cassette. Is that a cassette? That's...
And look. Can you see this?
Look.
Look.
Look. He's selling it. He's selling it, y'all. He's selling it. And you're supposed to be passing me things. Look at these. Beautiful. Oh, imagine that in your ear. Oh, now these is cute. These is little bracelets. This is more of me. Yes, see? You'll see?
Should I show you my factory of parts?
Oh, he want to show you the factory of cards. So here's some more, y'all.
Whoa. So shiny.
Up and yes. Look at all
Shiny.
these. These are so
Shiny.
cute. What's next? Baby, pass it to me. Alright, so this is like, you know, you go to church or something, wear some cute little earrings. Like, it ain't gotta be grandma's. I could wear something like that. That's cute. These is popping too. What's next? Alright, so this is bomb. Have a nice little dress on, some heels. And baby, do y'all see that? Bomb. Okay, here we go with the anklets. Do y'all see? Baby, look at these. I like these, but then I like these. And I know y'all like these. These is cute. Oh, mirror. The mirror's passing them too fast. Okay. Let me show y'all these. Here, baby. Hop in. Cute. Ooh. I can see that in my ear. Ooh, yes. Now look at these, y'all. Hold on. Let me show y'all. Do y'all see that? The earrings. The earring game is popping. What's next? Okay, so now we got these. These is bomb too. Do y'all see that? We got these. Ooh, love them. I need these yellow bad boys. Y'all know I like bright colors. I will wear these. She said no, she don't. Girl. You want to say hi to my friends?
Hi. You guys. That really helps.
That really hurts. The brightness of the light. Okay, so now, thank you, son. We got these. Wear these. And these. And these babies. Yes. Ooh, look what Amir got. Now these is cute. You a drinker? Like me. Oh, we get the Mariah Carey necklace. The butterfly. You know her signature stuff. It ain't her signature stuff, but you know. Butterflies. Oh. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff, y'all.
Yeah, y'all.
Look, I got a whole nother bag. Y'all ain't seen nothing yet. Look at this. Look at my ass. I should be, putting it on, but it's just too much. We got all these in different colors, right? Like, we got blue.
Blue. Again.
White.
And pink.
Now, this is our dollar store. This is our dollar. This is our dollar inventory.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. Ooh, I like the colors. You know I like colorful, bright things.
And my favorite.
Now, look at this. Bitch.
Now, what's
Hey, watch my ring light. Thank you.
Gosh.
And more colors. I like colors.
What you got?
Let's see.
It's showing that.
The girls was trying to pop out, y'all. Boop. Let's see. Boop.
It's right on.
And, ooh, I like this gold one.
Alright, let me get another one.
Boop.
This is
My mom challenged me to see how many bracelets I can put on my arm. Black. Oh, whoa. Kids are, you messing up my edges, boy. So sorry.
I have
Alright.
3 of
Bam, look at that. Look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Hey. Alright. Oh, wait. Look at these, y'all. That's cute. That's a chain. And these are cute. Oh, wait. There's has to be too many things, y'all. Just come down and get our stuff because we got some cute stuff, okay?
And make sure you
LA area.
and comment and buy these.
Comment and buy these.
Shirts are really cute.
Because they're really cute, okay?
Oh, say doll.
Okay, girl. What's next?
Comment flowers.
Comment flowers if you're paying attention to this video. Comment the flowers, y'all. Comment the flowers.
Comment. Let's help you guys.
All right, so I they put this on my head.
Mm-hmm.
Now I have this for your hand sanitizer. Look at that. Going to like concerts because I go to a lot of concerts. This is coming in.
Let me take a picture of you guys.
This will really come in. She take a picture. Now this right here, let me show y'all. Ooh, y'all not ready for this. Y'all not ready. So
You guys are not ready in the video.
here's a necklace. But anyways, back to this.
Here's my.
She is killing me, y'all. She is killing me. So this is for your mask. I know that people don't get this because we all got these masks. But if you have like a cute mask or whatever, I just got a plain little white one. But yeah, like that. Put it around your neck. And you can make a necklace. So you won't forget. And it's better for kids.
Yes,
Because
better
kids
put
be losing it.
I saw one of the girls have those
At school, huh? See? That you need it because you guys lose it. Okay. So here's a bracelet. Now that's really cute. With the
Now
heart.
here's my friends.
Your friends?
I'm making an organized I'm taking a picture of
Okay.
them.
Look at
Oh.
this. It says Jesus for all the Jesus lovers. Yay!
No, my mom.
All right, so back. We back. And we got some glasses, y'all. Glasses.
Huge. You know what's
Oh my gosh. She said, you know what's popping. Okay.
You know what's popping, doll? You better capture what's doll. I can't actually be in the video, so I'm just going to put my hands in it.
All glasses on sale for $5. Girl, you can't be combing these with a knife.
What is this?
All glasses, $5. LA area. My neighbors out there. LA area, okay?
Okay.
Look what I didn't do to my edges though. Like, alright, so look at what we got. Poppin'. This is cute. $5, y'all. Ooh. COVID gear. These is super cute, y'all. Comment below what's your favorite. Like, I got a lot of inventory, but just whatever you remember, comment below. Ooh, the girls. No, you're not gonna be combing this hair because this hair is not made to be combed. Oh, do y'all see this? Stop, mama.
Stop, mama. That's not real hair.
It ain't real hair. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
The bottom hair.
Now these are big, but these are cute.
Ugly.
Oh, no, she did not.
You did not
She said, my kids is on one. It's almost time for them to go to sleep. Alright, so these is cute. And you know what? I can wear all these glasses with my lashes. And y'all know I'll be wearing the lashes, the big lashes. So okay. That is it, my lovelies. It's not it, but it's it for what I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna make another video and I'm gonna let y'all, you know, see all the stuff. Cause I'm gonna have to set it up. Me and my mom gonna set it up. And we doing our 50th million pop up. That was not our first. Okay. This is one of our. Have you been there before? Is this our new venue?
Yeah, this is 23rd.
23rd in Florence. It's gonna be a lot of different venues. Okay, follow us on Stinker Chicken and Bougie Girls. Like, I'm gonna put it on the comment below in the description. But follow us. Each pop-up is different. Like, sometimes it's just clothes and stuff like that, but this one's gonna be different vendors. But if you guys could come out, that'd be great. Saturday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my